In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Trendline in TradingView. A clean, well-placed trendline helps you see the market's direction at a glance and spot potential areas of support and resistance. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can repeat it confidently every time you open a chart. First, open a chart in TradingView. Any market and time frame will work, but choose a chart where you can clearly see a series of highs and lows. The goal is to map the market's general direction with a single balanced line. On the left-hand toolbar, find the Trendline tool. It looks like a simple diagonal line. When you select it, your cursor is ready to place anchors on the chart. Keep in mind that a trendline is most useful when it connects meaningful swing points, not random noise, so we'll be intentional with where we click. Now, click on the starting point of the trend. Pick a clear swing high if you're outlining a downtrend, or a clear swing low if you're outlining an uptrend. A swing point stands out because price changed direction there in a noticeable way. This first anchor sets the tone for the rest of your line, so take a second to choose a point that represents the broader move rather than a tiny intraday blip. Next, drag your mouse to the ending point and click again. Aim for a second swing point that aligns with your first choice. Highs to highs for a downtrend line, or lows to lows for an uptrend line. You can choose to align with candle wicks for a more aggressive line, or with candle closes for a slightly more conservative one. Just be consistent. What you're after is a line that captures the slope of the move and touches, or nearly touches, multiple relevant points. Finally, adjust by dragging the line to refine it. You can nudge either endpoint to include the most meaningful touches without forcing the line through obvious outliers. A reliable trend line should feel natural to the price action, catching multiple reactions and reflecting the market's rhythm. Small shifts are normal. The goal is clarity, not perfection. As you refine, think of the line as an area rather than a razor-thin boundary. Markets breathe, and minor overshoots happen. If the line helps you quickly say, "This market is trending up," or "This market is trending down," and highlights where price has reacted before, you've drawn it well. That's it. Open a chart, select the trend line tool, anchor it from a clear swing point to another, and fine-tune. With a little practice, your trend lines will become fast, reliable guides for your trading decisions.